Uncle Herman, I'm shooting your 22. Take a look.
It's a Ruger, right? Ruger.
It's a high standard Model A.
Doggy, come here. 22. Cool.
Ah! I think he broke his camera.
Yeah, that 22 fucking
He broke
kicks.
his camera. Oh,
Let me see that gun, dude.
Oh man, look at that.
Holy shit.
That's a little high standard 22.
That is a strong.
Fantastic.
No way.
Look at that. Made in the 50s.
Sakes.
This was made in the 50s, mid 50s.
Oh my god.
Model A. Look at that.
Wow.
That's the type of damage.
Yeah, baby.
Good job, Uncle Herman. Good job.